Good morning. It is Saturday, January 2nd. It's around 8 a.m. It's a cross between low tide and high tide. Just gonna walk the beach, see if we find anything good. Here's an oyster shell. So doesn't look like, looks like a lot of shells. I don't see dead fish yet. Hopefully there's not too much dead fish today since there is a red tide going on. Is that a piece of glass? I don't think so. No. Excuse me when I cough. Lots of little shells. It's a shell line right there. So low tide is at 10 a.m. So then that line will be exposed. Oh, it is cold. Cold, cold, cold. It's calmer than yesterday. It's a lot calmer than yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Robert just found this nice whelk in the high tide line from last night. Very nice. He's looking at the high tide line while I look at the low tide line. So it's still not as calm as we've seen it before, but it's a lot calmer than yesterday. And you see these people in the water up there, that's kind of telling me there's a tide pool right there. So that makes me happy. Hopefully it's a really good tide pool. And the sun, yeah, it's pretty much at its high point. So sunrise is at 7:15 here, and we didn't get on the beach till 8, so my fault. Yeah, I see someone with 2 buckets with fishing poles, but I don't see anyone fishing, so just slowly meandering until we find a bigger shell pile. Is that like a handprint or a alligator print? A pterodactyl print? It's kind of funny looking. Hey Robert, come here. I know it's not an alligator print, but I just thought it was funny. I realize it's not an alligator print, but if you look at it from my side, that looks like an alligator print. Dinosaurs have been walking this beach. Oh wow, there's a nice white fighting conch. Keep that. I just thought that was funny, honey. Last night when we were night shelling, we were talking about it's extremely rare, but it is possible that alligators walk the beach. And it's always like you don't really want to stumble upon an alligator at night. So teasing him about that. Oh my God, there's another one. Amazing. These are conch feet, so I used to say they were rare, but I keep finding a bunch of them this trip, so keep every one. Look at that shell line from last night. Pretty amazing. I wonder what's... Is that people digging up holes? There's not that many people on the beach this morning. I really thought it was going to be busy because like New Year's Eve and New Year's Day was crazy, but it's actually, see, in front of our hotel, they didn't even put out the chairs. Yesterday they put out tons of chairs, and today they didn't put out any, so it's peculiar. I would think today would be the busiest. That's a nice one. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is a very nice Mirax. Wow. All right, finding a couple good shells. All right, that makes me happy. We're gonna keep shelling. So please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.